Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and choosing how to embed, code, or link. Once done, make sure the Notion page is set to public or shared with whoever needs access, because embeds often require visibility. Now open Spotify, locate the exact track, album, or playlist you want, and copy either the embed iframe code or the standard share link. This earliest step saves time later. Doing it before editing Notion prevents permissions and broken embeds. Keep that copied item on your clipboard for the next step. You now paste the Spotify link or embed code into Notion. If you paste a regular Spotify link, choose Create Embed when Notion suggests it. If you used iframe code, use the /embed block and paste the code. Once embedded, wait a moment for the player to render. If it doesn't, try refresh or repaste. Make sure to resize the embed block so controls are visible and add a short caption explaining the content. Also, place the player inside columns or toggles to keep your page tidy and scannable. You finish by testing the embed across devices. Play the track to confirm streaming works and that anyone with access can use controls. If it fails, first check the page sharing settings and recopy the Spotify link. Sometimes switch from link to iframe resolves rendering. Next, clear your browser cache or try a different browser or the Notion desktop app. Also verify your Spotify account status. Expired or region-restricted content can block playback. If issues persist, remove and recreate the embed. That usually fixes stale permissions or rendering glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.